lunchtime is done. Ako, meron na pong knockout dito. At yung isa magna-knockout na rin. Uwi na kami. Ay, hindi pa pala, sorry. We're going to Costco today to do some groceries and share some insight kung anong meron sila.
Tingnan mo yung sa labas, oh. Super sunny Calgary.
Super sunny right now here in Calgary pa rin. And we are so thankful kasi wala pang snow. Minus 4? Outside, minus 60.
Nakagabi, maabot ng minus 5.
So, ayun, ang aming Sunday for today. We'll let you know kung anong mabubudol na naman kami mamaya sa Costco. Okay, hang you later!
Hey guys, andito na kami sa parking ng Costco kasi ang mga bagets ay nakatulog. So si Lian and si Davan, they're pretty tired since kagabi late na kami umuwi. So tulog sila. Si Donna umalis na. Oh, nagising na ang aking princess and my Iron Man or my Captain America. Yan, so nasa loob na si Donna. Umuna na siya to get ahead and then habulin na lang namin siya pag gusto na ng mga batang or pag gising ng mga bata. So ayan, sila sarap ng tulog nila. But si Kuya mukhang gising na, si Lianica din mukhang gising na. The baguettes are up and ready to go. Are you guys ready to go to Costco? Huh? Mommy is inside. Mommy's inside. Let's go. Who's ready? Hands up. Raise your hand. Okay. Ayan ang mga baguettes. And that's Costco. Okay, you need to hold each other's hand so that no banga. Okay, come on. Here. Okay, hold. Yeah, you hold Daddy's shirt. Daddy's pants, rather. Okay. My baby girl, oh. That's my baby girl. And this is my big boy. Come on. Let's go to Costco.
Daddy, look what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're holding Daddy's shirt and Daddy's pants. Okay. Then we need to find Mommy, right? Okay. We need to find Mommy. Come on. Today's Sunday, so sobrang busy dito for sure. Okay. Then just hold Mommy. Just hold Daddy. Okay, we need to do the Costco app. And yeah, need to scan. Here. Yeah, so yan. App lang gamit. So, pwede na. Don't need the physical card. So, whoa. That's nice. 84. Ito magkano to? Starbucks Cafe Verona. It's 30. Yan si Kuya. Let's find Mommy first. Let's go. Let's go, Kuya. Kuya, let's go. Hold Kuya's hand. Kuya, look at this. Bluey. Magkano? 50. Oh, gusto din to ni Mommy, oh. Philips display path, 50. Yeah, meron din silang mga Apple watches dito. And the Apple phones. Mahal. Watch Series 550. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Kuya. Kuya, look at this. There's an F1 car here. Ferrari. Whoa. Formula scaling.
Oh my god.
$65.
Mom, can I buy this?
Ganda.
Please.
Ganda. Yeah, I want to buy that too.
It's a remote control.
It's a remote control car.
You buy, you have money, not me. You buy.
Parang lugi po ako dun, mama. ako talaga bibili. Yeah, go ahead, bro. Buy it. Okay, let's go, kuya. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Dito. Come on. Let's check, mommy. Ito, favorite namin to. Pistachio. May kumuhan si Donna for sure. That's $20. And then, mga merienda dito for kids. Kuya Davon, come on. Okay. Yeah, macadamia nuts. $20. Okay. Nandun.
No energy now.
Yeah, you have high energy kasi you took a nap. Bilis, doon tayo sa
Oh,
kabila.
I still don't
Doon sa kabila. Let's look for mommy. Mommy might be there. Up. Careful, kuya. Careful. Go turn left here. Kaliwa. Dito. Ooh, Indomie. Lian, you like... Is this the noodles badoodles? This is the noodles badoodles, 23. Dito tayo. Come on, let's try to find mommy. May mga Head and Shoulders, that's $17.50. Ito ba yung gusto ng mami ko? Dove conditioner. 10. Ayan, favorite. Oh, Spam. Ilang Spam to? 3 na Spam. That's 12. Kuya Davon, I couldn't see you. Where are you? Okay, come on. Yeah.
Oh, mommy.
Yeah, I know. We need to find her. Tingnan natin. Nasaan si mommy? Mommy's so fast. Nandito lang si Bobby. Okay. Siyempre, the favorite, yung mga taste.
So you want raisins?
Okay, do you guys want raisins? Only one. Get one, kuya. Get one, then you share it with Lianica. Raisins. Come on. They're made of grapes. Oh, they're made of grapes, right? Yeah, dried grapes, right? Raisins? Okay, I actually don't know. Okay, come on, let's go.
What is this?
Yeah, come on. It's a snack. Okay. Then yeah, taste it. Ooh, Philippine dried mangoes. Sarap. Kuya, this is your favorite. 15. Yeah, I know. You're gonna hand me this. Okay. Yeah.
I have my favorite.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's grab. Okay, you grab it. Okay, I'll grab. Yeah. Okay.
My favorite.
This is favorite. Okay, go. Go. Eat it. I know.
Mango.
Okay. Ito ang mga typical, the usual mga merienda. How about let's go there? Doon tayo sa kabila. Tara, doon tayo sa kabila.
What do you say?
Doon sa kabila. Go, kuya. Tayo sa kabila. Okay. Kasi yummy? Yummy? Masarap? You say masarap? Masarap? Okay. Masarap. Nasaan na si Mommy? Yung oil dito. Okay, let's see. Burger patties. Cider vinegar, $9.50. Kirkland. Ito yung brand ng Costco, Kirkland. $14.50. $15. And then burger patties. Ano man bibili ni Mami, Kuya? Do you know? Pizza. Pizza. $17. Bilis. Bilis, let's go. Dami. Daming oil. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And then kaliwa. You know kaliwa? Ano yung what is kaliwa? Left. Left is kaliwa. Left is kaliwa. Here. Dito. Here. No, that is the long cut. My favorite si Davon dito eh. Burger patty is $13. Okay, kaliwa again, kaliwa. Kaliwa here. Here, okay. I think we need to buy some sausages. Mga shrimp. Kirkland signature 22. Ano pa ba? Kaliwa. Okay, go straight. Come on. And then ito, favorite breakfast nila to. Hash brown, $9. Sobrang dami niyan. Sobrang dami. Yan, may Filipino din dito. Sweet longganisa. Magkano tong sweet longganisa? $15. And then may sweet tocino naman din. $15 din. What happened? You still have one more here. One each for you and Lianica. Come on. Come here. Here. That's a big one. But you can half it for Lianica. You need to share, right? Okay, let's go. Where is Mommy? And Ruffles. Lucky. That's $8. Popcorn. Laki ng popcorn, no? $6.50. Are you asking? Okay, chips. Who wants chips?
They're jalapeno.
Oh, they're jalapeno. So it's gonna be a bit spicy. They're a bit spicy.
It's just a little bite.
That's Mommy. Let's go. Come on. Mommy's there. Parang rubber duckies, no? Sunod-sunod lang. Sige, go. Ayun na si Mommy, oh. Starbucks, Verona Coffee, 25. Kicking Horse, 27. Ano ba yung gusto ko dito? Usually, yes. Ito ang binibili ko. McCafe, 25. Pero sobrang tagal nito, like 1 month or 2 months na gamit. Folgers, no. It tastes different. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, Davon, excuse me. Okay, and then ito din ito yung yogurt naman nila. Madami yan, ilan yan? 24 na 100 grams. Activa. Pero meron pa sila, so let's go. Let's go, come on. Oh, and then, syempre, merong Tim Hortons dito. Ito okay din. Bilang ko si Daddy, nagsabi na. So, magmi-meet kami sa Australia ng Daddy ko. So, bilang ko daw siya nito. 6. Ilan ba to? 22. Mas mahal talaga Oh, may Starbucks din pala. Pero, yeah. Tim's okay. Okay, para ma-settle down ng mga kids.
Blue bright.
They're watching now. Okay. Dito? Kaliwa? Dito? Yeah, okay. Sige.
Galing na ata tayo dyan, di ba? Ay, bigas pala dyan, Dad. Ay,
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, dahan-dahan. Oh. Dahan-dahan, love, kasi nag-ano ko.
this one.
Yan, Kirkland Signature. 19. Ano bang binibili mo?
Yeah, okay.
Ang alam ko may meron ka eh. Meron na ako nito. Cascade. 22. 22? Yeah.
Ito, nakabili na ako, Superstore. Pang dishwashing.
The liquid detergent. 21. Oh, ito! Ito yung sanan.
Yep. Meron pa, Dad. Meron pa.
So, anong bibilin pala?
Meron na ako dishwashing soap. Meron na ano. Nabili na ako na.
Yeah, ano bang yung sasabi mo? Okay, Kirkland. Purex pala. Purex 22.
Yung pang cleaning. Di ba meron tayo yung pang clean?
Oh, yung pang ano.
Yung mismong pang clean ng tub. Ano yung dishwasher? Yung dishwasher.
Okay. Yeah. Cleaning soap. Bleach, parang ganon. Ito, kakabili ko lang na to. Cascade. Bango. Dishwasher detergent. 22, 23, 14. 14 lang din pala yun. Okay pala yung nabili ko. I think okay yung nabili ko. Okay. Ito, Scrub Daddy. Meron yan sa ano, $22. Ano yun eh? Shark Tank. Then may Downy. Kirkland. Ito dati, gamit namin sa Vancouver. Grabe, 3 months ata to. Na powder. What do you want? Ang alin? Liquid softener?
Na Kirkland.
Yeah. 14 lang naman siya. 14. Okay. Yeah.
Lalaki yung
Malaki na.
sandali natin na no?
Yan. Liquid fabric softener. Okay. 15. Matagal na yan, di ba? Matagal na magagamit yan.
Uy, parang... Merong iced tea ka pa.
Yeah. Ito yung mga chocolate milk ng mga bata, baon. $10. Mga juice. Sunripe. Ito. Bumibili si Donna nito. 16. Gusto ni Lian tsaka ni Davon yan eh. Actually, pag mga juice, okay yun. So, I think fresh naman siya.
You're watching this, you're watching it.
Mga Ziplocs.
One fold?
$19. Ziploc. Ano pa ba yung ano dito? Compost lab. Meron ka pa bang compost? Meron ka pa bang compost?
Ilang piraso yan?
16. Pack of 50. Ito dito. Okay. Tapos ito, clear trash bag. And then merong blue recycling bag. Kasi sa Canada, sineseparate yung organic sa, kumbaga, nabubulok sa hindi nabubulok. Plus, meron pa yung yung mga cans, yun talaga, favorite. Halos lahat kami and mga kakilala, inaano talaga, iniipon.
Pera sa basura.
Oo, yun yung may pera sa basura.
Egg study, get egg.
Egg. Okay. Magkano ang egg dito? Dito, milk. Mga milk yan. Eggs. Large eggs. Oh, wala yung nakaano. Ito. Ito yung binibili namin. So, 5 dozen. $20. Okay. Good. Very good. Done. Yeah. Medyo divide and conquer pag Costco kasi madaming tao. Mabagal. Pag... Bakit? Wala na ba?
Extra.
Pwede naman.
Let's get one.
Saan nga yan? Here. Oh, lapit ka dito, love, kasi mabigat to eh. Oh, Kirkland. So, eto, usually meron ka dapat ganito. Turo ni Tito Rans to. Usually dapat may ganito pag ano, 470. So, in case of emergency, dapat may mga ganito ka sa sasakyan. So, okay, meron din Budweiser. Non-alcohol. 25. Ayan. And then, yung sinasabi namin, pag sobrang daming mga tissue kailangan, yan. 24. To then, Bounty. Ito usually yung sikat eh. Ito usually yung kinukuha ng mga tao. Bounty. Oh, may Kirkland na rin pala, love, oh. O, paubos na, oh, 24. Dami. Dami naman yan. 24. Dami. And then this one is iced tea. Ilan to? 20, 24, 12.50. Canada Dry. 16. Crush, 16. Coke. Meron din Coke. Siyempre, 16. Then Pepsi. 15.50.
Gusto mo bili tayong gatos dito?
Hindi na. Meron ka pa doon. Isa buo. Buo, di ba?
Kalahati na lang yun.
Oh, okay lang yan. Masisira na naman. Masisira na naman.
So it's better, right?
Oh, be careful.
Carton than...
Yeah. Oh, yun oh pala eh. Meron pala dito eh. Kuha akong isa. Yeah, trees. What's this? Eggnog. Oh, interesting. Oh. So milk. Milk, no? Ito. Maliit. Oh, whipped cream. Hindi. Not whipped cream. 608. Ito na nga lang. Patay nito isa. Kasi si Davan ay mahilig mag-milk. Si milk talaga to lagi. Asan na? Wala na dito. Okay, hanapin natin ito na yan, Italian meatball 19. Ito siya, taste, free taste. Pero busog na ako, so hindi na tayo mag-free taste. Busog na talaga. Where are you? Napin muna natin si Donna. Okay. Ayan pala. Ayan na pala. Nasa harap ko lang pala. Okay. Alright. So, pili si Donna nung mga usual niyang binibili. Ano man binibili mo dyan, lab? Banana. $2 from Guatemala. Ayan, okay naman to. O, parang madami yan. Or, tsaka organic yan. Dito. Ayun o, yun. Del Monte. So, mga sausages, mga kakaibang sausages. Kakaiba kasi hindi ako bumibili niyan eh. $6.50. Oh, ito, Olympic ham. Double smoked ham, $8.99. Ayan. Oo. Grabe. Paano uubusin yan? Yung Japanese style. Ito masarap to. Siwin. Japanese style. Sausage. Ito din. Okay din to. Pork back ribs. Hello there. But we're not going to buy that. And ito yung kalamansi dito sa amin. Walang kalamansi eh. So laging lemon. 8.50. Pero sobrang tagal niyan. Na usually nga nasisira talaga yan. And then this one is Saputo Parmesan Petals. And red pepper spread. Red pepper spread. Red chili pepper. Thank you. Okay, dito na kami sa meat section. Oh, ito yung laging mabenta talaga, oh. Halos wala ng laman. Halos wala ng laman. And, ayun, kita niya. Favorite yan ng tao. Dami lagi nilang nabibentang ganyan. There. Favorite yan, favorite. Mga quick eat. Hot food. So, 16. And then, magkano lang yan? $8. $8 may ulam na. Tapos, buong family na kayong pwede makakain yan. Ito sa meat. Australian lamb legs. Boneless. 17. Then, crab at saka lobster. Lobster is 44. Crab, crab na ganito is 25. May shrimp dito, 15. Nasa na si Donna? Ayan, hindi na. Okay. Dati dito din kami bumibili ng meat. Bumibili pa rin kami, pero hindi na gaano. Kasi merong naturo yung friend namin na si Alwin. Doon daw sa Wahing, Calgary. So doon na kami lagi bumibili. Oh wow. Tenderloin. 66. Paubos na. Paubos na to. Chicken breast, 15. Okay. Hintayin natin si Donna. Si tinatawag ako. May bibilhin to. Oh, ito pala. Dito din yung mga fish. Ito tilapia. Red farmed. Tilapia red. Kailangan ata nila i-indicate kung farm or wild. Yeah. So you see? Farm. Kailangan nila i-indicate yan. Rule lang ng Canada yan. And then salmon, which is BC is famous of. Pwede ka lang mag-fishing sa BC ng salmon. Unlimited. And then dito usually merong yan, favorite din to ng mga kids. $10. Labo, mura nito. Okay to. $10. Kaya lang. Yeah. Mix and match nga. Buy one, take one. Gusto nila to eh. Ayaw mo? $10, 550 lang isa. Isa oh. Isang chocolate. Oh. Tapos isang blueberry. Or chocolate chip. Meron man chocolate chip. Ito yung naalala ko. Kumuha ka ng isa. Pinabalik ako. Kasi kailangan ng isa pa. Gusto ako actually, love. Yung parang doon sa dulo. Ito oh, tingnan mo to. 280. Ang problema nito, ang ceiling natin 9 feet sa bahay. Siya, 10 feet, 280. Yan ang problema. So sa labas talaga ata siya. Oh, kung sa labas. Sa labas siya lalagay, no? Parang ang forma doon, no? Sa labas siya ng bahay. Doon sa may, patio. Kuya, that's a nice one. You like that? $130. Oh, this one is nice. $240. Ito yung gusto ko, love. Not that one. No, not that one. Ganda, oh. Ganda pag... Yeah, pag may detached style, love, na bahay na. Sa atin ko. Ito yung gusto ko. This one. Tsaka 20 lang siya, oh.
Uy,
Do-
Lian, who's this?
Wow!
Lian.
Lianica! This one! What do you mean by this one? Ang lating na yung ngiti ng anak ko. Who is that? Ha? Anong sinasabi mo? Ganun daw, mami. Ganun daw, oh. Ganun daw, oh. Kuha tayo? Sa patio? Or sa balcony? Kuha tayo, 20 lang naman. Kuha tayo isa. Right? Yan, para may design kami sa Pasko. Tama ba? Sa Sa patio? Okay, yan na. Mami! Mami! Washburn acoustic guitar. Wala akong acoustic, love, eh. Kailangan ko ng acoustic guitar. Ang 200. Tingnan natin. Okay, hindi siya. Putol ang strings. Okay. Uy! Mga kidos namin. Ganyan.
Ayoko na, ha?
No. Ito, Roxy, Parka, mga pang snow. Actually, 50 lang, oh. Sobrang okay nung price na to, ah. Pwede. Yan, Roxy. Modern Supply. Reversible. 39 na lang. Hunter jacket. It's 120. Pwede. Then fleece leggings. See? 16, 17 lang siya. Mura. Ito ba? Ano ba to? Design. Oh, 17. Mura. Yeah, mga jeans 25. Tapos, ito mga branded, Adidas Crew. For kids, 17, 18 lang. Mura na ito, Pero ang dami na kasi nila Davon, Yan ang sa likod. Meron ding Tommy. It's Tommy Hilfiger. 2-piece set. Top and bottom na. Pang tulog ata to or... Yeah, pwede din pang labas. $20. Okay na okay yung price. Yeah. Saan? Okay, shirt, jacket. Dito din ako bibili ng socks. Socks, Calvin Klein socks. Pwede to. Calvin Klein socks. $9 lang. Wow. That's good price. That's good price. But yeah, dami ng socks. Nasaan na ang aking sawa at mga anak? Where are you guys? Baka wala siyang nabili. Okay, last taan na natin dito. Yeah, ito mga curtains. 35. Pero sarap nito Nova Foam. 190. Martha Stewart. Feather pillow. 40. Yung sa amin naman ngayon ay ito. 24. Dalawa na. Yun yung gamit namin. Calvin Klein. And then, ubos na ba to? Doon. Yeah, so mga mats, rags, 19, usual. Oh, ano to? Outdoor mat, 18. Saan ito? Washable area rug, 80. So may mga ibang ano talaga okay sa Costco. Right guys, so I think tapos na kami talaga. And from the Target of hash brown and sugar, tingnan nyo po ang nabamili sa Costco. Mga 400 na naman. Lagi talagang ganun eh. Pero kailangan naman siya. Saka magaganda naman yung mga stuff. So, okay, that's all. And pagod na kami ni Donna kakaikot. That's good to go. Okay, bye Alba Fam Bam. And catch you soon. Hi. News. Yan na, paying na kami. Okay. Okay. Yan, paying na, bayad na. Thank you. Well, I'll help you too. Yan. Yan na, lagi kaming kinakabahan pag Costco. Always overspend. Can we just also bring this one? Yeah. You see? And the total of the boodle, 436. You know what's our goal here? Is just to buy the hash brown and the sugar. That's all. It always happens. All right, let's go. Okay, pauwi na. And it was $437. But yeah, may naka-accomplish actually kaming goal dun. Then palabas na tayo. So hindi tinatapon ang receipt kasi i-check nila yung receipt pag labas mo. Yan. So makakapagpahinga na tayo. We're gonna be going home. Usually kumakain kami dito with the famous hot dogs of Costco and pizza na mura, but we're just tired. We just wanna go home. Meron din pala ditong tires, Costco tires. So actually super okay ng Costco kasi ma-return mo talaga yung mga pinamili mo. No questions asked. Pero syempre may not for abuse din yun. You need to be practical. So ito yung mga nag-return, oh. Laki nito, oh. Hindi siya satisfied. So, you'll return it. Hi! Okay, yan. Chine-check nila.
And he's working.
Yeah, he's working. Is he working now?
Yan, check nila yan. So, pag nawala yung ano... Yeah, they usually, wow, flour for Leon today. And ice cream for Kuya. Thank you very much, Wendy. Bye. See ya. Right, so going home na. Yeah, let's eat at home.
I want hot dog.
We can't. Naubos na nga yung hotdog nila, Kuya. That's
We have
why.
hot dog there. I bought some.
Yeah. Naubos na yung hotdog nila, Kuya. Meron din pala silang liquor store doon sa gilid. So, minsan pag kailangan kong bumili ng mga beer. Oh, lamig. Ilang degrees ngayon? 7? 6? Tapos super sunny. Look at that. Super sunny Calgary, but super coldy. Is it coldy, Lian? Is it cold? Malamig? Malamig. Yan. Okay, punta na tayo sa ating car. So, back up na. Here. That's our Costco haul for today. Cost us 436 pero madami kaming na-accomplish actually. And supposedly dapat yung ano lang talaga hash brown tsaka sugar pero since nandyan na, bilhin na ang kailangan. So that's all. Alba Fam Bam. See you next time. Kids, you say hang loose.